Hello Gadgeteers! Today I have for you the Roedix Air Duster. I'm going to do a quick unboxing and then I'm going to show you how it works. First of all, we have the manual. And it looks like a little bag of attachments. A small brush. A little nozzle with a brush at the end. And then another narrower nozzle. Got a USB-C charging cable. Another type of nozzle. Oh, got even more here. Here's I'm not sure what the heck this is. It's another weird nozzle. Another one. And yet another one. Gonna have to read how to put this together. And then everything comes in a nice little bag. That's a nice touch. Little nylon bag. And here is the duster itself. It's got a nice heft to it. There is a piece of tape over it. I'm not sure. Oh, okay. It's just protecting the power button. Probably because it's got some charge in it when they shipped it and they didn't want something pressing to turn it on. So there's the power button. Whoa. Sorry about that. You'll notice that it does have a light and it sounds pretty strong. There is the USB-C charging port. Here's another button on the front. Let me see what that does. So I'm turning it on. Okay, it just changes the strength of the blower. So this is a blower. It is not a vacuum. So you can use it to blow dust off of different things like dirt in your keyboard. And let me tell you what these different attachments are. Number one is a blow nozzle, and that is, it looks like this one, although this one doesn't have a brush. Maybe that fits in there? No. It shows, it looks like there's a little brush on it, but this one does not have that. So there's that one. Two is a brush blow nozzle. So that does have a brush at the end. Number three, a swimming ring blow nozzle. I have no idea what the heck that is, a swimming ring blow nozzle. Number four, an air bed blow nozzle, which looks like this one. So I guess you could use it to, oh, okay, I'm understanding here. So this is a swimming ring blow nozzle, which just means probably like a nylon life preserver kind of thing that has to be blown up, and you can use the Roedix to blow it up, and then this can be used to blow up an air bed. And by blow up, I mean inflate. And number five is a vacuum bag nozzle, so that is this one. Number six is an air bed exhaust nozzle. Okay. Now, I do not have a swimming ring or an airbed or a vacuum bag. I will be able to show you how it works as far as blowing dirt out of a keyboard. So we will attach this nozzle. It goes right on the front there. That attaches very securely. And let's move these things out of the way so they don't get blown away. And let's just get this bag here so I can just show you really quick how this works. Oh, there that went. That was easy to do. Let's Now let's see what it looks like to use this to blow dust and dirt out of a keyboard. All right, here we are with my Keychron keyboard, and I do have a bad habit of eating my lunch here at my keyboard. So crumbs do get in keyboards, dust get in keyboards. So something like the Roedix will help you clean them out. So we're going to turn it on, and sorry for the noise. I'll try to lower the volume, and we'll see what this does. I really like this duster because it's easy to use, it has a strong fan, and I think I could find all kinds of ways to use it in my office, even if I don't have a swimming ring or an airbed. If you're interested in the Roedix duster, check the description below. I'll have a link to where you can buy it on Amazon. It is an affiliate link, but it will not cost you anything, and it does help the channel.